हेलो दोस्तों, फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। तो दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल सुनील कौशल में। आज आप लोगों के लिए काफ़ी ज़्यादा वैकेंसीज़ में लेके आया हूँ अलग अलग लोकेशंस से। तो दोस्तों, सबसे पहले तो हम बात करते हैं। जो पहली वैकेंसी है EIS सेक्टर 45 गुड़गांव से। वाइस प्रिंसिपल की पहली वैकेंसी है यहाँ पे। और इसके अलावा TGT फ्रेंच और एडमिशन काउंसलर और PGT साइकोलॉजी टीचर्स की भी यहाँ पे रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं। जितने भी इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स हैं गुड़गांव के लिए, ऑल ओवर इंडिया से कोई भी कैंडिडेट अप्लाई कर सकता है। प्राइवेट स्कूल्स हैं सारे के सारे, जो भी मैं आपको आज बताने वाला हूँ। तो इंटरेस्टेड कैंडिडेट्स विद मिनिमम 3 years of CBSE school experience may send their resume to hr.eurosec45ggn@gmail.com, or you can also do the query by calling at this number. Now let's talk about the another school, that is for EIS sector 10 Gurgaon. The first school is in sector 45 Gurgaon, and second school is in sector 10 Gurgaon. Here again, vice principal, admission counselor, and PGT English and PGT psychology teachers are required. And so if you are interested for this location, you can send your biodata or resume to this email ID, or you can call and you can do the query at this number. Now let's talk about next school, that is in sector 51 Gurgaon. Again, there is a vacancy of vice principal, admission counselor, mother teachers, PRTs, English, mother teachers. Besides this, front desk, librarian, PTI, etc. So, if you are interested for this location, you can send your biodata to this email ID, or you can call at this number. Now, let's talk about next school, that is same group having the school in sector 109 Gurgaon. So, here, vice principal, Montessori coordinator, then TGT for English, PGT for economics, political science, and English teachers are required. If you are interested for this location, then you can mail your resume at this email ID, or you can call at this number for any query. But besides calling, I suggest you to mail your resume at all these mail IDs. Now let's talk about next location, that is in sector 84 Gurgaon. There is a vacancy for vice principal, TGT, computer, PGT, physical education. So if you are interested for this location for these vacancies, you can send your biodata resume to this email ID, or you can do the query at this number. Now let's talk about next location. Next location is in sector 37D, Gurgaon. Here there is a requirement of vice principal, TGT French, and PGT Physical Education. If you find yourself eligible for this location, you can send your biodata at this email ID, or you can do the query at this number. So, friends, let's talk about the name of the school, name of the group of schools where these vacancies has been opened. The group of schools are Euro group of schools, and these are first, and second, sector 10, third, sector 51, fourth, sector 109, fifth, sector 84, and sixth at sector 37. Six schools vacancies in Gurgaon in different sectors are opened for all of you. Let's talk about now another school vacancies. Another school is here, as you can see, Shivani Public School, that is in Lucknow. I have opened a website for all of you here for Shivani Public School, and for this school, it is written over here that we are hiring pre-primary teachers, primary teachers, TGT teachers for all subjects, PGT teachers for all subjects. So no particular qualification is written over here. Career link will be active from July 19, 2021. So friends, if you will go to the website, visit our website for more information. This is the website www.spslucknow.in. So all teachers are required, like PGT, TGT, PRTs and pre-primary teachers in this school, Shivani Public School. This is the like a website of Shivani Public School, and here the vacancies has been opened. Now I will go to now next vacancies. Lucknow. You can see this website over here. Uh, like if I go to the career section, career. Right now today is 17th of July. So they have written that their current openings website link will open on after 29. So this has not been opened till now because today is 17th of July. Now let's talk about next vacancies. Next vacancies are for principal, vice principal. These vacancies are open for Pratap International School, and that is in Kanpur, Keshwapuram, Kalyanpur, and here the vacancies are open for principal as well as vice principal. So, good candidates are detail oriented problem solvers. Principals, vice principals serve as public face of the school. So, minimum 3 years of administrative experience is asked, along with 8 years of teaching experience. Local base of Kanpur city will be preferred. Otherwise, rest of the candidates from other states can also apply. Salary is no bar for the deserving candidates. So if you are interested, you can mail your CV to vacancy at the rate of pratapinternational.com. Now let's move to next vacancies. Next vacancies are in Delhi Public School, Kolkata, Ruby Park, Kolkata. They have two schools, high school and junior school. So, educational landmark of Om Dayal Educational and Research Society in collaboration with Delhi Public School Society, New Delhi. Delhi Public School, Ruby Park, Kolkata, one of the most preferred schools in the city, requires the following personals for the academic session 2021 and 22. There are the openings for pre-primary teachers. The qualification required is graduates with Montessori, TTC, B.Ed, and experience minimum 2 years and age not more than 30 years. English teachers for PRT, TGT, graduate, postgraduate in English with B.Ed. Minimum 3 years experience, not more than 40 years age. If you're interested, I have cross-checked their website. In website there were no vacancies, so they have already given the option. Please apply online in the prescribed format given in our website. If you will go to the website, you can download the format. Otherwise, you can mail your resume to jobs at the rate of dpskolkata.com by attaching the biodata and latest passport size photograph mentioning the position applied in the subject line. So salary will be as per norms. Friends, if you are liking my video information, please like it. And if you are looking for more and more jobs information, please subscribe my channel. I wish best of luck to all of you. Thank you very much.